How can I filter a file for lines containing a string in Sublime Text 2? I want to filter a file I'm editing in Sublime Text 2 for lines contain a certain string, if possible including regular expressions. Consider the following file. When filtered for ba, the result should be How can I do that?
Sublime Text 2 is an extensible editor with a Python API. You can create new commands, called plugins, and make them available from the UI. Adding basic filtering text command plugin. In Sublime Text 2, select Tools New Plugin and enter the following text. Save as filter.py in ~library/application support/sublime text 2/packages/user. Integration with UI. To add this plugin to the Edit menu, select Preferences. Browse Packages and open the user folder. If a file called main.sublime menu doesn't exist, create it. Add or set the following text to that file. This will insert the filter command call. Essentially, filter is transformed to filter command.run for the plugin call and filter for the menu label, just below the wrap command. See step 11 here for a more detailed explanation why that is. To assign a keyboard shortcut, open and edit the file, default, os.sublime_keymap, on OS X, or the equivalent for other systems, and enter the following. This will assign the shortcut F to this command. To make the command show up in the commands palette, you need to create a file named default.sublimecommands, or edit an existing one, in the user folder. The syntax is similar to the menu file you just edited. Multiple entries, enclosed by curly brackets, need to be separated by commas. And NBSB, behavior and UI integration screenshots. The command, as implemented, will filter all lines that are part of a selection, the entire lines, not just the selected parts, or, if no selection exists, the entire buffer. For a substring that is entered to the input field, default is the possibly useless multiline clipboard after the command is triggered. It can easily be extended to, for example, support regular expressions, or only leave lines not matching a certain expression. Menu item. Commands palette entry. Editor. Adding support for regular expressions. To add support for regular expressions, use the following scripts and snippets instead. Filter.py. Main.Sublime menu. Default, Oz.Sublime keymap. A second plugin command, filter using regular expression, will be added below the filter menu entry. Default.Sublime commands.
There is also a poor man's line filtering algorithm, or is it lazy? Select string of interest. Hit Alt plus F3 to go into multi-cursor mode on all occurrences. Hit Ctrl plus L to select entire line, on every cursor line. Copy-paste selection to another buffer.
There's now a plugin for filtering lines, this URL. It allows filtering and code folding based on strings or regular expressions.
You can use Sublime's built-in capabilities to do this in 3 to 7 keystrokes, not including the regex to be matched. Step 1. Multi-select all matching lines. Option 1. To multi-select all lines containing a substring. Select the string of interest. Hit Alt plus F3 to multi-select all occurrences. Hit Ctrl plus L, expand selection to line. Option 2. To multi-select all lines matching a regex. Hit Ctrl plus F to open the find drawer. Make sure regular expression matching is enabled, Alt plus R to toggle. Type in the regular expression. Hit Alt plus Enter to multi-select all matches. Hit Ctrl plus L, expand selection to line. Step 2. Do something with those lines. Option 1. To get rid of all lines that are not selected. Hit Ctrl plus C to copy. Hit Ctrl plus A to select all. Hit Ctrl plus V to replace selection with the matching lines. Option 2. To get rid of all lines that are selected. Hit Ctrl plus Shift plus K, delete line. Option 3. To extract selected lines to a new file. Hit Ctrl plus C to copy. Hit Ctrl plus N to open a new file. Hit Ctrl plus V to paste.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.